When I granted the continuance on the summary judgment, we still had the scheduling status conference, which I didn't want to continue.
Oh, I'm sorry, Judge. What
No
happened
worries.
is my office misread your order, so they had it deleted from my calendar. So
No worries, no worries.
I apologize.
Good morning. This is Judge Elisa Bettis resuming the civil docket for the 210th District Court for February 15, 2023. Again, all matters being heard today are being heard in accordance with all emergency orders and directives regarding COVID-19. In addition to that, we are streaming all matters live via YouTube. I'll call it 2022 DCV 2486, Terry Finkley versus Pay and Save et al. May I have announcements, please?
Good morning, Your Honor. Daniela Rabinotti for the plaintiff.
Your Honor, Hugh Lyle for defendant Pay and Save.
Eugene Kim for defendant EP Samana.
Okay. And so as I was mentioning off record, we are solely set for a scheduling status conference, having reset or continued the summary judgment hearing. Am I correct? We have never had a scheduling order in this case?
I believe so, Judge, because we were waiting on the other defendant to join and file an answer, which they now did. And so I think that's why we haven't had a scheduling order in place yet. So yes,
Okay.
this is good.
So I'm looking at February of 2024 for a trial date, specifically February 2nd.
Groundhog Day, Your Honor.
Is that what it is? It Groundhog's Day? Oh, but somehow I feel like that doesn't bode well for a case, right? Like, I don't
Hey, yeah,
know.
no, not really.
Yeah, let's not do that, Judge, if possible.
Okay, what date have you all discussed a date?
No, Judge, I don't think we have. So if the court wants maybe the following setting.
We can do February. Yeah, we can do February 9th.
That's fine, Judge. For the plaintiff, I'm sorry.
We'll get you all the scheduling order. Please review it, sign off on it, agree to a mediator, and return it within 2 weeks. And then we can get the dates entered. Okay,
Perfect. Thank you, Judge.
Thank you,
And I'm
Judge.
really sorry. It's just
no problem.
my office misread the order. Thank you, Judge.
Thank you,
you.
Judge.
Bye.
All right, take care. Who's next?
May we be excused, Your Honor?
You may.
Thank you.
Top of page 4, Judge.
Can I go back? What happened to 2669 on page 1?
We canceled that hearing, Judge. With your permission, the party submitted something to you.
Okay. All right. So that one's taken care of. All right. Who's next? Page what?
Page 4, Judge. Top of page 4.
Mhm.
In cause number 2022 DCV 1735, Wells Fargo Bank NA versus Elizabeth Lozano. Announcement of counsel, please.
Morning, Your Honor. Stephen Mosier up here on behalf of the plaintiff, Wells Fargo.
Okay. And let me see. Is anyone here for Elizabeth Lozano or do we have anybody in the waiting room?
No, Judge.
Mr. Moser, have you been in contact at all with Miss Lozano?
I'm not sure, to be honest, Your Honor. I would need to check our system to see if there's if we've had any settlement discussions. I know she did appear at the last setting, though.
Okay, so that's what I'm wondering is if we sent out, and I only have this down for a status conference, although I see that a motion for summary judgment was filed on February 8th. It's not technically set. And I guess I just went back past the default. I just don't recall this hearing, honestly. And so my first question was, how come we had some information on her? Because I have notation here that she was a Spanish speaker and whatnot. So if you'll check your notes and see where we are.
Okay. If Your Honor would like for me to check to see what kind of contact information we have,
Yes, sir.
I may need to leave the call and then come back. Would that be all right with Your Honor?
That's fine. We can come back to you. Let's go to the next case if we have someone ready. We'll see you in a bit, Mr. Moser.
Thank you.
I believe on page 3, Judge. I believe everybody's here.
Okay, go ahead.
In cause number 2022 DCV 0886, Eduardo Carval et al. Versus My Universe Inc. et al. Announcement of counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Celeste Balguera for the plaintiffs.
Good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor. Aldo Lopez for defendant My Universe Inc. and Kushpal Singh.
Good morning, Judge. Oh, I'm sorry, Ms. Rincon, go ahead.
Landstar Ranger.
Good morning, Judge Alessandra Martinez for defendants Jackson and RV Share LLC.
Okay. Good morning. Scheduling conference.
Your Honor, if I may,
Yes, ma'am.
we amended our petition just last week, February 9th, to add a defendant. That defendant has not yet been served. So I would just request that we possibly wait until that party makes an appearance to get a trial date and a scheduling order.
Okay, so let's add a status conference. We'll go ahead and, am I looking at the right case?
This is Eduardo Cabral.
Mm-hmm. Oh, I see. I was missing a hearing here. Let's reset it for 30 days. So
Okay.
we'll reset the scheduling status conference, and then that'll have us pretty much monthly. I assume once we get to that scheduling status conference, actually, if we have them here, we can look at a full-on reset, I would imagine, of the trial settings. If
Okay.
I think that's where we're at. Unless you want to run to mediation really quick with our current deadline, unless you all are telling me that, then we'll have to look at a new slate of things. Okay, I can tell by your reactions that doesn't sound like a good idea. So March 15th.
Okay.
Okay, we'll reset. Thank you very much.